Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Amrita Raichand, and as you know, we're here to give you a new recipe for every school day, which is tasty and healthy too. So today we are going to make Yam Hash Brown. Now, which child doesn't like hash browns? But I'm going to show you how to make them nutritious too. तो चलिए देखते हैं कैसे बनाएंगे हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन. सूरन, इसे मैं इस्तेमाल करके बनाऊंगी ये hash brown. Yam gives a lot of energy to children and is a great source of vitamin C, which increases immunity too. So excellent choice for any recipe. उसके साथ साथ I'm adding the goodness and the calcium of paneer. Okay, and to bind, I've got some potatoes grated, and अब I'm going to add my seasoning. So salt according to taste, some black pepper powder, herbs, mixed herbs, nice generous pinch. If your children don't mind dhania, then add some dhania too, and some chilli flakes. I'm going to nicely mix this together. And now I'm going to add Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce, which will blend really well with all the ingredients and give these hash browns a nice tomatoey zing. Chaliye. Now this mixture is ready, and I'm going to use a cookie cutter and I'm going to fill it in. This gives it a nice round shape. You can obviously do it with your hands as well. My pan is nice and hot, and I'm going to add some oil to it. Swirl it around. And now I'm going to add my hash browns to the hot griddle. Looking lovely. बहुत ही प्यारा color आया है. And I'm going to just wait it out till the other side also gets this beautiful golden brown color. Till then, let me get my tiffin, and I have some yummy grapes and some walnuts on the side. Okay, these nice good size 2 hash browns are going to be beautifully sufficient for your child's snack. So I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network for more such exciting recipes, and don't worry, I'm coming back with yet another exciting, amazing, healthy recipe and to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.